Okay, so welcome to our enchanted snow path to spring. As you can see, we have beautiful flowers here at the end. Yellow bengaroos. Here they are, the top of the hill there. Let's go this way. I don't really count on it being this muddy. And there's my babies doing not exactly sure what. Guys, this isn't going to work. This is not the sledding hill. What are you doing? Okay. Here, Mommy wants to get by to finish doing a movie of the path. Can I get over you?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Will you help us to push us?
Well, I'm going to try to get over you.
I want to go sledding.
Sweetie, don't step on her head. I know. Here. Ow! Mommy's foot stuck. Hold on. Okay. Okay.
We have to go in the front.
I know. Guys, this is a walking path, not a sledding path. The sledding hill's over this way. This is the sledding hill. Sweetie, just get up. Come on. Anyway, this is the sledding hill. And here's, you kind of slid down this hill. Up here, here's the tennis court. The tennis court. I still don't know what they're doing. Start bringing it up here. So, that was the enchanted snow path to spring. I'm gonna go die now. Okay, guys. Gonna need some. Yeah, you need to be turned around a little bit here.